Hello friends, welcome to your channel Phenomen. Today we will be discussing the success journey of India's second largest credit card issuer company, and it is the one and only listed company on Bombay Stock Exchange as well as National Stock Exchange. It is none other than SBI card. So let's start with the success journey. It is a success journey of trust and excellence. The company got incorporated in 1998 on October as incorporated as SBI Card and Payment Service Private Limited. Then it is actually a joint venture between the State Bank of India and GE Capital. It is actually located in New Delhi, but its headquarter in Gurgaon, that is Haryana state. Then in 1999, in the just a period of 10 months, it achieved a 1 lakh customer. Then in December 2000, by December, at the end of the December 2000, it has reached to 5 lakh customers. Super performance by SBI card. In just look at 2002, it has reached to 1 million card holder just in a period of 4 years of its launch. So rapidly performance given by SBI card. SBI card collaborated with United Bank of India and launched its United Bank of India Gold Card, Union Bank of International Card and UBI Advantage Card to give benefit to the credit card market and to expand its business. So it has launched with UBI also, and now in 2005 it has reached to 2 million milestone. You can imagine in 1998 to 2005 it has made a 2 million, that is 20 lakh customer in just a short period of time. In 2006, in collaboration with IRCTC, that is Indian Railway, SBI card launched IRCTC SBI card to benefit its cardholder so that they can get the 10% value back, that is discount on their railway bookings. So in 2006, the SBI card became the second largest credit card company by issuing almost 3 million card in August 2006. This was the biggest achievement of SBI card. Now check 2010, SBI card launched SBI Platinum card for those whose income is more than 5 lakh rupees. Then in 2013, SBI card tied up with the Air India government company and launched Air India SBI card Platinum and Air India signature card to support the government. In 2014, the company entered into a 3 million, that is 30 lakh card holder. Then in 2016, SBI card entered into 4 million card holder. You can check the company is growing continuously since its launch. And then just check out in 2017, 5 million credit card holder has become to the SBI card. Then SBI card launched BPCL SBI card so that the card holder get the benefit of the while making the payment at the petrol or diesel station. And then you can check how performance is not stopped. They are continuously putting efforts, and SBI card entered in the 6 million club, that is 60 lakh customer in just 2018, and they have launched doctors SBI card so that the customer can get the value back on their medical bills. Then in 2019, its biggest achievement, 10 million, that is 1 crore customer base has become in 2019. And in 2020, it was the one and only credit card company got listed on Bombay Stock Exchange as well as on the National Stock Exchange. As of now, no company is listed as a credit card in the Bombay Stock Exchange. SBI card is the one and only company listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Now the journey still continues. Company has collaborated with various companies and issued a various credit card, and its journey is continuously growing. You can check that Ola Money SBI card, Apollo SBI card, Rupee SBI card, Club Vistara SBI card, and many more cards company has issued and company is issuing. So it's a very fast growing company. Now we will check the company's vital statistic. The company's market cap, that is market capitalization, is 1,66,478 crore. The company listed in 1.5 years back, and it has got a market cap of more than 1 lakh. It is the largest capital company, and the stock is trading at a P of 119. Return on capital employed is 10%. The stock presently is trading at 11 30, that is 1130. The book value of the stock is just 67 rupees. Return on equity has given this stock is almost 17%. 52-week high of this company has just recently touched 1165 and 52-week low is 770. During pandemic it has touched the low of 500 rupees and face value of the stock is 10 rupees. So massive performance by SBI card. Just have a look at on the quarterly financial performance. You can check quarterly it has not very much performed because of the corona pandemic, but it has maintained its performance very good because in pandemic people were not so much using their credit card. So now you can check the revenue in 2019 it was just 1983 crore. Now it has reached to 2362. During recession period also it has recovered its revenue very extremely well manner. Now you can check the financial profit. Financial profit means operating profit, the main business profit, the core business profit from which company earn the profit. So it has increased from 308 to 354 crores. Now margin, see, you can check out the company's genuineness. The company during recession also profit margin have not fallen. It has maintained its profit margin. Just check out, it has continuously 16, 15, 19, 21. It has maintained its profit percentage, profit margin also. Now you can check the net profit from 249 in 2019 to it has become 305 crore in June 2021. So it is a quarterly performance of SBI card. Now we'll check the annual performance, that is yearly performance. So in yearly performance the company has fantastically performed very nicely. You can check the performance. The revenue was just 1438 crore. Now it has become to 9301, almost 6 times revenue has increased just a period of 7 years. So you can check the journey which we have already discussed. So rapidly company was issuing the credit card, and because of this the revenue of the company has superbly increased. Now you can check the main operating financial profit has just increased from 220 crore to 1034, almost 5 times financial profit has been increased. And just check the financial margin, 15, 10, 14, consistently maintain its margin profit. Then you can check the profit before tax was almost 300 crore and now it is almost 124 crore. Almost you can say that 4 to 5 times PBT has increased. Now you can check the main core profit of the company, net profit. It is almost 300 crore and now it has become 985, 1000 crore. Almost you can say that 3 times profit is given by the company. So fantastic performance by the SBI card in stock market as well as in main business also. Now we will check the growth performance of the SBI card. Though compounded sales growth, the revenue growth in the last 5 years, it has revenue has been increased 31%. In 3 years it is 21%. In trailing 12 month, in 12 month only 1% because of the pandemic. And profit growth in 5 years it was 28%, and 3 years it has given a profit of 18% CAGR. And trailing 12 month again minus because profit was not performed in well manner because of the corona pandemic. And stock performance, that is stock has given a 1 year return of 42. Why 1 year? Because stock is listed in 1.5 year back only, so it has given a multi-year profit in 1 year despite corona pandemic. Return on equity is fantastic. 5 year return on equity is 25%, 3 year it is 23%, and last year it was 17%. Even after this corona it has performed very nicely, so given a fantastic return. And now finally we will check the shareholding pattern. As you can see, promoter has maintained its promoter stake, that is 69.50, almost 70% is from March 22 till September it has maintained 20%. But as you can see, just look, very drastic change. FII was just holding 4% in March 20, and then 4.23, 6%, but now they are holding, just look at 13% holding. Now they are holding from 4 to 13. And now as in the case of DII, domestic institutions, that is mutual funds, insurance companies, banking companies, just holding was 4% in March 20, and now just look at it is 10% holding. And major change in public, that is you and me, retail public was holding in March 2020 23% shares were there in the public. Now it has become only 8%. So you can check the shares are being shifted from retail public to the FIIs and DIs, that is big institutions. So this can be a big indication there is more room is left in the SBI card to get a potential return, multi-bagger return. So you can make a research on this company and consult with your advisor and make your buying decision. If you feel that video is useful to you, then please do like our video and please subscribe to our channel Phenoment if you have still not subscribed it, and press the bell button so that you will get the notifications for the next videos. And also please comment it in the comment box on which topic you want to watch the next videos.